Checkmark how to apply for IBPS Bank Officer Job 2025. Link Step 1. Visit official IBPS website. Go to right finger www.ibps.in. Click on CRP PO, MT, CRP Clerk, or CRP Specialist Officers, depending on your job target. Click on Apply Online, link once registration opens, from the 1st of August 2025. Memo Step 2. New registration. Click here for new registration. Enter name, mobile number, email ID. You will get a registration number and password on your phone, email. Man Technologist Step 3. Fill application form. Log in using registration number and password. Enter personal details, address, educational qualification, work experience, if any, category, general, OBC, SC, ST, PWD, language preference. Exam center choice, pick your nearby cities. Bank IBPS Bank Officer Recruitment 2025 Full details Small diamond post name. Bank Officer, PO, Clerk, SO. Depending on the notification, conducted by IBPS, Institute of Banking Personnel Selection, for public sector banks like SBI, Canara Bank, PNB, Union Bank, etc. Clipboard Important dates. Event date. Online registration January 8, 2025 to the 21st of August 2025. Online fee payment January 8, 2025 to the 21st of August 2025. Edit window. Exact date will be announced after registration closes. Pre-exam training, PET, September 2025. Prelims call letter download September 2025. Prelims exam October 2025. Prelims result November 2025. Mains call letter download November 2025. Mains exam November 2025. Provisional allotment March 2026. Office worker job role, customer handling, loan processing, cash, account management, daily banking operations, posting in different departments like loans, credit, foreign exchange, IT, etc. Checkmark eligibility criteria. Age, 20 to 30 years, relaxation for SC, ST, OBC, qualification, graduate in any discipline. Nationality, Indian citizen, camera photo and signature upload requirements. Upload type format size dimensions. Photograph JPG, JPEG 20 to 50 kilobytes 200 by 230 pixels. Signature JPG, JPEG 10 to 20 kilobytes 140 by 60 pixels. Left thumb impression JPG, JPEG 20 to 50 kilobytes 240 by 240 pixels. Handwritten declaration JPG, JPEG 50 to 100 kilobytes 800 by 400 pixels. Memo declaration text, example, I, your name, hereby declare that all the information submitted by me in the application form is correct. Stop sign signature should not be in capital letters. Credit card application fee. Category fee, general, OBC 850 rupees per SC, ST, PWD 175 rupees per. Mode of payment, online via debit, credit card, UPI, net banking. Books selection process, prelims exam, objective, qualifying, mains exam, objective plus descriptive, interview, for PO, officer level only, final provisional allotment based on merit. File folder documents required, scanned photo and signature, valid ID proof, Aadhaar, PAN, voter ID, etc. Educational certificates, caste certificate, if applicable, PWD, ex-serviceman certificate, if applicable. Movie camera, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. All the best for your IBPS exam. Bell sparkles.